How to fix MetaTrader 5 no connection error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix MetaTrader 5 no connection. So let's get started. First steps first, open up MetaTrader 5. So try to open up MetaTrader 5 and check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there and you're facing an error, what you can do is you can open up your settings. Let me head back first on our normal settings and then I'll come back to general. So after you're on settings, go to general. On general, you'll need to open up your iPhone storage. After you open up your iPhone storage, you'll need to locate MetaTrader 5. So open up MetaTrader 5 and then offload the app. Tap on offload and tap on offload again. Doing that, just reinstall the app after the offload completes. And after you reinstall the app, your caches from MetaTrader 5 will get deleted. If after doing that, you can then try to open up the app and check if the problem is fixed. If that does not fix your problem, open up your app store, search for MetaTrader 5, and after you search for MetaTrader 5, simply check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, tap on update and update to the latest version. Doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.